So once you've looked at the basic concepts of creating an assessment, well, let's look at the math. Some things that you would want to know about a math assessment or creating one. One is the standards work together within a cluster or domain, and sometimes even across domains. So you're going to look for standards that are working together, and then when you're selecting items, it allows you to alleviate some overlapping or queuing. It also allows you to build a shorter assessment that tells you more. Look for items that approach the skills within the standards or across these clusters or domains in a different manner. And then this way you're getting a better perspective and a better understanding of student thinking in regard to those skills or concepts. Now, I was working with a district in the Pacific Northwest, and they were having low math scores. And we looked at the scores and we looked at the test itself. And what we realized is they had selected items that used vocabulary that the students were never exposed to. And I'm talking about math vocabulary. So what you want to do is a balance of the math vocabulary with what students have been taught and how they've been taught. Now, that may be an adjustment in building the assessment or adjustment in instruction. You'll have to decide. Look for items that vary digits in word length, the types of numbers they use when you're asking them to perform certain algorithms, including addition or subtraction, if you're looking for those type of things. Now, one thing I'm asked about math a lot is how many items per standard will give me, reliability and validity. And the answer is, a psychometrician will probably tell you between 5 and 10 items per standard. But really is the question is, what skills are you assessing? And you may need more items for a standard just because you're testing 3 different skills. It really is something that you have to look at and look to see am I looking from a psychometric standpoint, or I'm just looking for an indication of learning because I'm at the site and I really don't want to give this 9-year-old a 70 item assessment.